can PPC actually help improve my organic ranking on Amazon and how? So Amazon is a platform when once that you're generating a sale and Amazon thinks that the keyword that you run ads for is relevant to whatever you sell, then it's going to organically push you up top, right? Why is this important for you to know is that sometimes what can happen, what we're seeing on our end is that if you're running ads for keywords that are not highly relevant to your product, you might be getting impression, but organic ranking is going to take way more than something that is super specific, a keyword that's specific to your listing. For example, this one is going to be tumbler, it's going to be glass tumbler, anything that it would be tumbler that can be also stainless steel. If you're going to target stainless steel, there's a high chance that you're not going to convert for it. Therefore, even if you run ads in exact match, are not going to convert for it. So why am I saying you this is because when organically you are going to convert for a purchase, Amazon sees that and Amazon is going to push you higher and higher on their search page, and that is going to be organically. So yes, it can help, but it must happen a conversion. Otherwise, it's not going to help organically.